Here's what we have today on our daily run. Yeah, every day. Yeah, well, hopefully none of that happens, but if it does, you know, not much we can do about it. Would be nice if it didn't happen though. This, you know, the place gets burglarized or something. Okay. A couple of quarters. Boring part and the stocking part. This place is in dire need of some of that. Let's start with the chips. Good to me. And then this one was the one that we were completely out on. It was like the second or third thing that I had ever actually sold out on. It was these grandma's cookies too. They're like, I don't know, Oreo looking crackers. I don't even know. Yes, grandma's plenty of cookies. Makes them all. Make them in all shapes and sizes. Yes. A huge thing with vending is consolidation. As you can see, not all the time where things fit perfectly or I'll get the perfect amount, so I'll have to consolidate and you know, I'll just have a box of, you know, this is a pork rind box. It's got hot Cheetos in it and grandma's cookies, so consolidation. Yeah, now I get to try cone chips. I mean, they're good, you know, there's like I mean, it's not as sweet as like a cinnamon roll or something, but it's just like a really sweet bread. And they're good, I did like it. I cannot for the life of me find the variety honey bun pack where it's like cheese Danish, ice cinnamon buns, Texas cinnamon roll, because that's the very first thing I sold out on this machine actually. And we'll actually just put the rest back here, I guess. Ice cinnamon buns for everyone. Moving on. Hot chips always do better. The hot fries, those are really good. Those did well too. The first three things I sold out on the snack machine actually, the first thing was the Texas cinnamon buns, then the hot Cheeto, the hot fries, and then the grandma's cookies, those Oreo shaped ones. Okay, this is definitely going to be a light pull on this one, I can already tell. Yeah. Light pull. Oh, those quarters. Couple. I'm actually looking really hard for another location. Trying to get 2 more before the semester starts. speaking of school, I would love a university location. Would love one, but when you get that official, you have to start putting bids in on it. You can't just call a company or factory and go, hey, do you guys need a vending machine? For like something really official, like an airport. An airport would be, that probably be the #1 top tier. For those, you have to put a bid on it, and you just have to be a lot more official than what I currently am. Yeah, for an airport or something, or a hospital or a university, they're gonna definitely want a new machine. Can't just buy used off of Facebook Marketplace and cram it in there. It's gotta be new. It's gotta look good. Yeah, would love to have it though. Shopping mall, no, it's actually not so glamorous, not so full. Like there's an outlet mall about 30 minutes from here, and you know, since I've been into vending, it actually got me curious. There's like a vending machine with just makeup in it, you know, and I wonder how those do, you know. Seems to be a machine for everything, but I am looking for new locations. I'm always looking. Right, on to the last one. Just making sure everything looks good. Yeah, finally changed out those flavor strips. I did the best I can. I know I cannot find a sizable image for that, or the white monster, but I think it looks a lot better than what it was, which is just cardboard and then writing on there big red. This is all nothing, but there's our full stack for this location. With a couple of changes, nothing really. But this isn't the kitchen, you know, where nobody really hangs out. Yes. Mountain Dew, Gatorade. This Gatorade, which I'm really surprised isn't gone by now. And the Gatorade. Damn, no, this is not biting. Purple Fanta, that surprised me. This surprised me. That really surprised me. Pepsi's good. Everything else is good. Okay, we are done here at this location. What an ugly Monday morning. Pretty good week. Pretty good pull for this location anyway. So this location, one thing that I have to remind myself is that this place is not operating at maximum capacity. Obviously with coronavirus and everything, there's been a lot of, not layoffs, but you know, just kind of like, look, we don't need you right now. You know, when things get calm a little bit and the storm kind of calms, no pun intended, we'll get you back to work. I know that because that's what management has told me. So this place is not operating at maximum capacity with the amount of people that are normally in here. Obviously, the more people in here, the better. The more people around the machines, the better. But yeah, that's what it's looking like right now. So right now, we just got to do the best we can and, you know, hope for the best. Okay, this location is good for, I mean, ideally, I could not even show up for 2 weeks, but I like to check it at least once a week. Yeah, but I really need more locations. That's what I need. you know, I'm fine right now with what I have right now, especially until school starts in the fall. Yes, entrepreneurs and investors and self-employed guys can go back to school too. And I need like less than 2 years to finish my Bachelor of Economics, and it is purely for myself. I'm not doing it to get hired anywhere for anybody. I'm doing it purely because I want to know economics better for my own investments, and doing the whole self-employed thing, I think it'll be a lot more beneficial for me. Hey everyone, so we just got back. Right after we left, actually, it started pouring. You can see that. Well, it doesn't look like it's raining that much now, but it's just started pouring, so we just left back, and now I'm all soaking wet. But I did my count here. We came out with $95 in cash, and I haven't counted the quarters yet, but there looks like a good amount. Don't look at that. This video is not sponsored by Budweiser. There's my little Blue Yeti I use. But anyway, yeah, good collection day. If you want to continue to see videos like this, please like and subscribe. I love the feedback that I've been getting, and I'm going to continue to make collection videos, hopefully at my other locations. Anyways, take care, guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.